What's up, guys? Train Hunter Knife for today. I'm going to do two parts of this video. It's going to be, can the engine make it? Pretty much where I make a little obstacle course. We're going to use the same for both parts we got. So engine starts there at that bridge, goes around, goes up, over avalanche escape. Gotta fix this. I don't know what's going on with that. I'm trying to get like a support or something. So let me just take these two, and this time's had a little bit of a little accident in bloopers. There. And then it goes around here, goes under, loops around, goes through the crossing again, bada bing, goes through shipwreck, and then it ends there. So I'm actually gonna time them. So ready? I'm gonna turn it on. Okay, time's off. I set the timer. He's climbing. He makes it. Bada bing, bada boom. He's down. Well, he's not down, but he went down. Resets that. He's doing the crossing. He's down for 25 seconds. Well, now he's on 30 seconds. I'm climbing. He's climbing up there. He's going down, going over crossing, coming back up. I thought he derailed. Like I said, two parts. So, going down, then, boom. Thomas made it with 54 seconds. Good job, Thomas. So, keep my notes. Just gonna put on my notes. So Thomas, oh shoot, whoops. There. Okay, so we will reset. I don't know if I mentioned this, but Edward, so we already did Thomas, so the remaining engines for part 1 is Edward, Henry, Gordon, and James. Then for part 2 we'll do Gator, Scruff, Charlie, Bobby, and LBSC Thomas. So, good job, Thomas. Edward's next. Can he do it? Can he beat Thomas's time? It's not just competition, it's just to see who can do it. So, and go. Oh, shoot. That was a fail. Okay, timer's up. And I'm really curious if we can make that climb. Going very slowly. It's already at 15 seconds. He just makes it. Tender is kind of derailed. Come on, Edward. Wow, it's already 30 seconds and he has not even made it over the crossing. I'll leave the times of every engine in part 1 in the description below. So, going down, climbs up, slowly climbing. It's already 52 seconds. He's not going to beat Thomas's record, sadly. It's already been a minute for Edward and hasn't made it yet. Come on, Ed. Ooh, he derailed. We gotta help him there. Come on, Edward. One minute, 15 seconds, okay? My notes. Okay. So, okay, so yes. Next up, Henry. Reset. Go. Come on, Henry, show him who's boss. Oh, whoops. There we go. If they can't climb up the hill, then I'll just give him a nudge. Come on, Henry. Pump those pistons. Henry's off. Eliminated. So Henry has been eliminated to derailing. So, sorry, Henry. Better luck next time. Henry has been disqualified. Next up, Gordon. And then after part 2, I will do a separate video. I'll just do a description video, but go in motor, press start. Okay. Gordon's doing as slow as Henry. Come on, Gordon. Slowly climbing. I don't know if he'll be able to do it. It's kind of slanted, actually. Not good. Okay, he's doing it. Spend 25 seconds. Come on, Gordon. Just put new batteries in you. I just changed your side rods. How are you already slacking? I literally just put new batteries in him, as well as I changed his side rods with the broken motor, Thomas, which comes with my shipwreck rails. I don't know what's going on. But, He's gonna need some help. Let's give him up that bit. It's already been a minute. Can you beat Edward's time? Or will they try? A minute 17 or 16. So a minute 16. And then for the final one today is James. So let me just put this in notes. Get my notes. Okay. Save. Go, James, go. You go a little bit faster than Gordon. I wonder if you can actually do it. Like I said, this is the same. Oh, shoot. Come on, James. Come on. No. Oh, shoot. It looks like James is tenderless. I guess that counts. Since Henry flew off, so. Really? Like I said, I will leave the times in the description below. But he was going around the crossing. If that was tender, I don't know. That's not elimination, though. Come on, James. Apparently, he's not doing it. He's not on his game today. I just put fresh batteries in all of these engines, so I don't know what's going on. Can we beat Edward's time? A minute and 11 seconds. So, there you go, James. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, smash that like button. But otherwise, I'll see you later. Toodaloo!